All right, we're almost to the bottom. So we went about almost to the halfway point, but we didn't turn around. But we just started and we're dying already. That's the incline.
It's the stairs that look skinny, but are actually really fat.
You won't go far, I promise you. All right.
After this, can we go to the restaurant?
We need food.
And be there until we're able to go to the winds, to the cave of winds.
Let me see. Who do you have with you?
I have Desmond with me.
Okay. Hi, Desmond. Hiking the incline too. Good. And this is not even the beginning yet.
It's not the beginning, it's hurting. People, this is hurting. The incline is very, very
All right, time for a break. Time to sit down.
Right when we just start.
Hi, Desmond. Desmond is on the adventure with us. The incline. What?
I love you, Mom.
Is that what Desmond says to me? We're here at the incline. We've gone a lot of steps already. There's more, as you can see, all the way to the top. But I don't think we're gonna make it all the way to the top. But at least we're here today along with our friends. Jessica and David are here doing the incline with us and enjoying it. But here's the view so far. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. We're almost to the bottom, so we went about almost to the halfway point, but we didn't turn around. But next time we'll come back. So anyways, that's your phone, Ayana. But anyways, we're almost here to the bottom, and we're going to our next adventure, to the Cave of the Winds. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Well, I hope you're still following us. And stay tuned. Bye.
Yeah.